unraveling the mysteries of QR codes. QR codes store data in binary patterns. Distinct components ensure accurate scanning and decoding. Error correction mechanisms keep QR codes functional. QR codes can store diverse data types. QR codes enable seamless physical-digital integration. Tracing the journey of QR codes. QR codes pave the way for AR innovations. QR codes inspire artistic and creative expression. Best practices for effective QR code design. Addressing concerns around QR code data storage. Presented by the QR code experts. Join our community for more insights.